Hello friends, thanks for joining me for the flip through of this Cats and Cupcakes journal. My friend Martha at Martha Makes Art and I have traded digital kits. So I've created a journal using her digital kit called Cats and Cupcakes, and she has created a journal using my digital kit called Victorian Mice. I hope you enjoy this flip through, and I hope you will head over to her channel when you're finished and check out what she created with the Victorian Mice digital kit. We are both posting on April 17th, so it will be easy for you to find her video because we're both posting this on the same day. I made sure to go through my stash and find anything I could that had cats on it. So I had a vintage playing card. These little pieces were from a cat magazine that I have. I have some, it's vintage looking papers that I'm using, but they are newer. They just have a vintage pattern on them. You'll see those throughout the kit, as well as her gorgeous digitals. In my typical fashion, I did print out her digitals on the back of scrapbook paper. So I went through my stash and found papers, obviously, that would coordinate, and most of them lean into the pinks. This tag here looks vintage, but it's not. It's newer. Just has that vintage feel to it. I love it. And on the right-hand side of this spread, you'll see a little side pocket. And on that side pocket, I put a stamp that was on some mail that I recently received, and it was a Valentine's stamp. And even though this is not a Valentine's journal, there's a lot of hearts in it. So I thought it was perfect. I will be sure to add Martha of Martha Makes Art information in my description box so that you can have access to this beautiful digital kit. This tag, on the front of it, I put a picture of Salvador Dali and one of his cats. I want to let you know that this journal will be available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. I will be sure to link that in my description box. As you can see, I put some lacy, satiny tabs in the journal. Oh, and this is a vintage recipe card. I recently got a heart punch, and you can see on the lower left there's a little heart, and I turned it into a pocket, and one of these little tiny magazine covers fits right in there just perfectly. I think that's a pretty cute addition. I do love my heart punch, and I know that there's a way to make flowers using it. I haven't done it yet, but that's definitely something I want to do. Oh, on the right hand side is an image that I attached into the journal, and it's from a magazine. There's a few of those in here, and I think they look super cute. Here are the beads that I put on the wax threads in the center of the signature, And we've got beads and then a red heart charm. On this page, I added some stencils, and that's what you see there, the purple butterflies. Well, I stenciled those on. Also, you'll see on the left-hand side, I added some rose trim, and I think it looks really nice in the journal. This cool envelope was gifted to me in Happy Mail. I do believe it was Penny's Craft Creations that sent it to me. It's been covered in a napkin. It coordinates really nicely in the journal. And I'm just stuffing it with some offcuts that I rounded the corners on so they are in a perfect tag shape. I really love these little tiny magazine covers that I put throughout the journal. They're so cute, and I think they just add a lot of whimsy to the journal. As I mentioned before, I will be sure to link my Etsy shop in my description box in case you are interested in this journal. Also, I'll be sure to add Martha's information in my description box in case you are interested in this beautiful digital kit that she created. I really enjoyed creating a journal with it. I just had so much fun. I hope that you have enjoyed the flip through. I appreciate you coming over and hanging out with me today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.